These two bald eagles taking off from their perches beside the Fraser River was a good starting point for today's video, and I was really happy. And then lo and behold, a ship came into view on the river, and I said, wow, this seems to be my lucky day. So I kept on shooting. That ship is headed downstream on the Fraser towards Steveston. Even though the DJI Mini2 does not have a self-tracking feature, I had seen some hacks on YouTube which I wanted to try out for myself, and it seemed to work. Basically, you have to keep the drone a little behind you and use the circle function, and you get a couple of seconds of quite decent video, I think.